Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.